Hey thinkers, welcome back to Tink Up YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Who wears a red and blue suit and swings through New York on webs? The answer is Spider-Man. Who lives in Gotham City and fights crime without superpowers? The answer is Batman. Who carries a shield made of vibranium? The answer is Captain America. Who is the green ogre who lives in a swamp? The answer is Shrek. Who has magical ice powers and rules R&L? The answer is Elsa. Who is the space ranger who says, "To infinity and beyond"? The answer is Buzz Lightyear. Who wears red overalls and rescues Princess Peach? The answer is Mario. Who is the blue hedgehog known for incredible speed? The answer is Sonic the Hedgehog. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? The answer is SpongeBob SquarePants. Who is Mickey Mouse's loyal dog? The answer is Pluto. Who has a lightning-shaped scar and attends Hogwarts? The answer is Harry Potter. Who becomes incredibly strong after exposure to gamma radiation? The answer is Hulk. Who is the king of Wakanda? The answer is Black Panther. Which yellow Pokemon travels with Ash? The answer is Pikachu. Who is the cowboy who leads the toys in Toy Story? The answer is Woody. Who has a long nose that grows whenever he lies? The answer is Pinocchio. Who is the Green Jedi Master who trained Luke Skywalker? The answer is Yoda. Who wears glass slippers to the royal ball? The answer is Cinderella. Who is the talking snowman who loves warm hugs? The answer is Olaf. Which cartoon cat is always chasing Jerry? The answer is Tom. Who cracks jokes while wearing a red and black suit? The answer is Deadpool. Which superhero can shrink to the size of an insect? The answer is Ant-Man. Who uses a magical lasso that forces people to tell the truth? The answer is Wonder Woman. Who is Barbie's longtime best friend? The answer is Ken. Which famous archaeologist carries a whip and wears a fedora? The answer is Indiana Jones. Who wears a hockey mask and fights alongside the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? The answer is Casey Jones. Which one-eyed minion loves adventures? The answer is Stuart. Who leads the Guardians of the Galaxy? The answer is Star-Lord. Who lives on Sesame Street and loves cookies? The answer is Cookie Monster. Who wears a red cap and says, "Let's say go"? The answer is Mario. Who throws Pokeballs to catch Pokemon? The answer is Ash Ketchum. Which dragon is trained by Hiccup? The answer is Toothless. Who wields the mighty hammer Mjolnir? The answer is Thor. Who becomes the king of the Pride Lands? The answer is Simba. Who wears a cape with an S on the chest? The answer is Superman. Which Disney elephant can fly using its ears? The answer is Dumbo. Who says, "I am Groot"? The answer is Groot. Who wears a metal suit powered by an arc reactor? The answer is Iron Man. Who is the god of mischief from Asgard? The answer is Loki. Which famous racing game features Rainbow Road? The answer is Mario Kart.